Tired of YouTube ads ruining your vibe? What if I told you there are better ways to enjoy YouTube? Ad-free, customizable, and without draining your data. That's right. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best YouTube alternatives. NewPipe, SnapTube, YouTube Lite, LibreTube, and ReVanced. Each of these apps comes with its own unique perks. But which one is right for you? Stick around because you might just find your new go-to app. Let's kick things off with NewPipe, an open source, lightweight app that gives you the YouTube experience without the ads or the need for a Google account. NewPipe lets you play videos in the background, download them for offline viewing, and it's completely free. The best part, no data collection, which means your privacy stays intact. But here's the catch. No comment section and no access to trending YouTube features. Still, for a free app that gives you an ad-free experience and offline downloads, NewPipe is hard to beat. Next up is SnapTube, the app for those who love to download. SnapTube isn't just for YouTube. You can download content from Facebook, Instagram, and more. It supports high-quality downloads even in 4K, and it's easy to use. The free version comes with ads, but you can upgrade to the premium version for just about $1.99 per month to remove ads and unlock faster downloads. SnapTube also allows you to convert videos to MP3, which is perfect for building your own music library. If downloading is your thing, SnapTube is a solid choice. Now let's talk about YouTube Lite, Google's official lightweight app designed for low-end phones and slow internet. It's free to use and takes up very little storage, making it perfect for older phones and slower connections. It saves data by allowing you to adjust video quality and even watch videos offline. However, YouTube Lite does come with ads unless you subscribe to YouTube Premium for $13.99 per month. It also lacks background play and picture-in-picture mode, which could be a deal breaker for some users. Still, for those looking to save data and storage, YouTube Lite is a lifesaver. On to LibreTube. This one's for the privacy lovers. LibreTube is open source and uses a piped backend, which means no connection to Google and no data tracking. You get background play, an ad-free experience, and a customizable interface, all for free. That's right, no premium version, no hidden fees. But since it relies on piped servers, you might experience occasional glitches or slower loading times. If you value privacy and customization over perfection, LibreTube is a top-tier option. And finally, we have ReVanced, the spiritual successor to YouTube Vanced, which was hugely popular before it got shut down. ReVanced gives you an ad-free experience, background play, and even picture-in-picture mode. It's essentially YouTube without the ads, and it's free. But installing it requires some tech know-how, since it's not available on the Play Store. You'll need to download the ReVanced Manager and patch the official YouTube app yourself. If you're comfortable with a bit of tech work, ReVanced is hands down the best way to get premium YouTube experience without the cost. So, which one should you go for? If privacy matters the most, NewPipe or LibreTube are your best bets. If you're all about downloading, SnapTube is the way to go. For low-end phones, YouTube Lite will keep things smooth. And if you want the closest thing to the real YouTube experience, ReVanced is the winner. Now let's talk numbers. YouTube Premium currently costs $13.99 per month in the US, giving you an ad-free experience, background play, and offline downloads. SnapTube Premium is much cheaper at $1.99 per month, but it's focused more on downloads. Meanwhile, NewPipe, LibreTube, and ReVanced are completely free. No hidden costs, no subscriptions, and no data collection. That's a game changer for those tired of paying for YouTube Premium. With over 2.7 billion monthly active users, YouTube is the second most visited website in the world. But that doesn't mean you have to put up with ads and limitations. These alternatives are proof that you can take control of your viewing experience. Imagine streaming your favorite video ad-free, downloading them in 4K, or running them in the background, all without paying a dime. That's the power of these apps. It's no surprise that more and more users are turning away from YouTube's premium model. Why pay when you can get same experience or better for free? Apps like ReVanced and LibreTube give you the premium experience without the price tag. And SnapTube's affordable premium plan makes it a solid choice for download-heavy users. The big question is, are these apps legal? Well, that depends. NewPipe and LibreTube are open source and fully legal to use, but SnapTube and ReVanced operate in a gray area since they modify the YouTube experience. Still, millions of users swear by them, and YouTube hasn't exactly been able to shut them down. So, what's your favorite? Have you tried any of these apps? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insider tips on the best tech hacks.